sent this Home Essentials Pilates kit so that I could try it out and share with you guys. So let's check it out. I'm in my mid-30s and I've been wanting to get more active, so I really am excited to start trying to do some things like this at home where I don't have to actually go to the gym. This is a 14-piece kit. It comes with some exercises on this little chart here to help you get started, which I love because I am a total beginner. This is going to come with kind of like all of the essentials that you need to get started. You're going to have a yoga bag to kind of keep everything in, 2 yoga balls, and a hand pump. You're going to get a new 8-shaped resistance band, some yoga socks, and a Pilates magic circle, and then 5 circular resistance bands, a yoga strap, and a stretching resistance band. This is going to be perfect to start building strength and improving my flexibility. So let me start opening some of these up and seeing how they are made. Our 8-shaped resistance band has these nice foam handles so that it's not going to be hurting your hand when you're pulling on and using this. So that is definitely very nice. Doesn't feel like I'm going to rip it apart. The yoga ring is crafted from high strength fiberglass, so it's going to be durable and last you a long time. It has nice padding here on the side so that it's not going to be hurting your body whenever you're pressing against it here. It also comes with a straw to pump up the ball, if that's how you choose to do it. I am going to go for the pump. I love that this pump has a good little handle for you to hold on to while you're pumping, making it super easy to use. The yoga balls are made from a premium explosion-proof PVC for safety and quality. I love that it included everything that I needed here. This is making it so much simpler to get ready. As someone who has attended barre and Pilates classes before, I love that they included the socks that have the little grippies on the bottom. Makes it so much easier to keep your body stable and standing in the right positions so that your feet aren't sliding around. These are worth their weight in gold. And I love that they were included and I didn't have to go buy some extra ones. We have our stretching strap, which I was kind of like trying to figure out how you use it because it has all of these like pre-sewn areas to make it like into different sections, and they are numbered. So I was kind of looking at it, but then when you flip it over, it has pictures of the stretches. So that is super handy. I love this, and this feels very nicely made. It's a good thick material. You have your regular stretching resistance band here, which is so nice and so handy. You definitely need to stretch before you do anything, and this is definitely a big help. You also get all of your normal resistance bands, and one thing that I really love about this set is it tells you right here on the band like the resistance. All of my other resistance bands that I've ever had or used were just a solid color, kind of like the stretching band, but it was, you know, resistance band, and I would have to sit there and be like, no, is it this one? Like trying to figure out which one was like the light, medium, or heavy resistance. And these all have it right here on them. So that is super handy. Eco-friendly natural rubber, offering excellent elasticity and biodegradability. This is definitely the perfect starter kit for those looking to improve your strength, flexibility, and posture from home. It makes your home workouts versatile and adaptable to different fitness levels. Had my eye on a yoga ring for quite a while now because I've been wanting to try one out and start doing some Pilates and stuff in my routine at home. So I'm definitely excited to get to use that. And like I said, I love how all of these are labeled and everything seems like it's going to be very simple to use. I'm going to link this set on my Amazon storefront so that it's easy for you to find so you can grab one for yourself.